Hi, welcome to Juicy Topics with the Mikulka Group. We're over here at 275, Route 79 in Morganville, New Jersey. This is my soap opera voice.
Yes,
and we can be reached at 855 Mikulka. Pete, what are we talking about today?
You're sticking with that one?
Yeah.
That intro?
Yeah.
You going with that?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, guys, what we want to talk to you today is we want to continue our series on Mikulka contracting. So we want to talk about building, renovations, that sort of thing. And what we want to talk about today is residential renovations. Interior renovations where the footprint stays the same or adding an addition to your house. Mm-hmm. What's the difference? What's the cost difference? Right. Staying within the footprints of your current house keeps things very, very, very simple. When you go outside of the existing footprint of your house, you start to get into areas of permits that include zoning. Zoning is an issue that a lot of people don't quite understand. What happens is that anything you do to your house, especially if you come outside of the existing footprint of your house, even with an air conditioner, you add a zone of air and you put that air conditioner somewhere outside of your house, you have to deal with zoning permits. You are not allowed to just put and do whatever you want on your property. Your township most likely has zoning rules that you have to stay within. If you have a house and you can reconfigure that space to repurpose it and do what you want to do by keeping the footprint the same, you are going to eliminate the need of involving zoning. And so zoning is a big thing that we deal with. When you deal with an existing house, there's a clause, a term that we like to use. It's called grandfathered. So if if your house is slightly off skew and you're in some sort of zoning violation, it doesn't matter. If that house exists, you can kind of do whatever you want within the walls of that house and within its current footprint. So guys, if you're ever thinking about an interior renovation and you can stay within the existing footprint of your house, that will save you a whole lot of money. If you can't and you need additional space, that's okay too. And we can help you with zoning and flood elevations and all the paperwork and everything that goes along with it. Keep that in mind and keep us in mind for any exterior or interior renovations to your home or business. Now, we would like to introduce a new segment in Johnny's Music and Movies Corner. And this new segment is called
Dare to Choose.
Dare to Choose. Now, the idea here is that Johnny is always proposing questions about which movie or song is better, and he never answers them. He never, ever answers them. So in this segment, we're going to force Johnny to choose between two obviously good movies or two obviously good songs. And he has to choose one.
It's causing me a lot of stress.
We will not let him off the hook.
I think my palms are getting sweaty.
So transparency here. We did discuss this prior to this, so this isn't a complete surprise to Johnny.
I'm still
so he's had time to think about this. So what we're going to do is we're going to introduce two combat war style movies that are some of the best movies.
Quintessential.
Ever made. Apocalypse Now.
Coppola.
Full Metal Jacket.
Kubrick.
Apocalypse Now. Incredible. I remember, because I was around when that movie was starting to come out. I remember the commercials. The soundtrack for it was amazing. Okay. And that's Apocalypse Now. Full Metal Jacket. Cool. Same thing. It is one of the most quoted movies. Private Pile, the whole bit. Songs were made.
Oh man.
Songs were made from that, looping the tracks from the different in a Full Metal Jacket. Yes. Absolutely. Two really, really fantastic movies that I would, if I'm flipping through the channels, which I don't really do anymore because flipping doesn't really happen anymore. But if I was, I'd have to stop on either of them. And if I hit them both running concurrently, I'd probably be going back and forth. So,
dare to choose.
Dare to choose, Johnny.
Okay.
Full Metal Jacket or Apocalypse. Now, we can help you, but ultimately, you have to choose. And you have to choose now.
Okay. All right. So, Full Metal Jacket, the first 45 minutes, training camp,
Please.
My God.
Unbelievable.
My God. Yeah. And if it ended there, I would be Full Metal Jacket all day. And for crying out loud, it's Stanley Kubrick. Having said that, I'm going to have to say Apocalypse Now. Coppola, I mean, not only the actors he chose.
I knew you were going to go with Apocalypse Now because the Hopper
and the colors.
And Brando.
And he's so big with the colors and bam, you know what I mean? He's explosive. Coppola is a visual
All right.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
And I can't get away from that.
Well, I gotta take this moment to tell you how proud of you I am because he did dare to choose. All right, guys. And if you are in the neighborhood of Morganville, New Jersey, please stop by at 275 Route 79 North in Morganville, New Jersey, and talk to Johnny about movies or music and make him dare to choose.
Yeah, or you dare to choose.
So listen, guys, if you're interested in any renovations, additions, residential, commercial, any electrical needs, please give us a call at 855 Mikulka. Stop by and talk to us, and everybody be safe and happy holidays.